Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do today? We're going to teach people how to do what? We're going to teach them how to change the batteries in their little Paw Patrol toys. This thing, I'm not sure what model it is, but it has a little switch on the back, and the batteries go bad. So are we going to show them how to change the batteries? Are we? Okay. All right. Well, let's do this. Let's start by, we'll tell them that you've got to get this little bottom piece. That's where the batteries are at. Right there in the bottom. Right here. So now to get that out, you got to do a little bit of digging and sometimes maybe even a little bit of damage. But it's okay. He'll still work just fine. There's a little press-in rivet right there. And you got to dig down in there until you can get a hold of that and prise it out with a little tiny screwdriver like this one. But you prise that little piece out right there. See that? And you won't be using that anymore. You can put it back in if you want to, but I've replaced with a screw. A little 2mm screw. Don't know how well that's going to show up. But we replaced it with a little 2mm Allen head screw. What?
But why not don't do it?
I'm going to do it. We'll show it to them right here. We're showing everybody else. We're showing other little kids how to fix it, okay?
Why?
So they'll know how to fix theirs. And then they can keep playing with their Paw Patrol toys too. All right, and then we got to prise this dude out right here.
Don't just do that to Spoomer. You don't want that. And then he will be... Let's need new batteries. Now, me and Chase don't push up the new battery. Now, Chase, push.
Okay.
One, two, three.
This piece is kind of glued in originally. So you really got to get down deep in the front here under where that little screw was, or that little press-in rivet, to get it to pop out.
1, 2.
And then, once you've done that, you can see where there was glue in here. Now this is where the batteries are, in this little piece. So we're just going to slide that out, like this. And it requires 3
batteries.
3 batteries, like this.
What's this?
This is called LICBs. LICB battery, or LR41. I got these batteries at www.licbbattery.com. And I was incorrect. It's not LIC, it's an LR41 battery. A 384 or a 392 or an AG3. That's LICB is the battery company. But the battery type is an LR41, a 384, a 392, or an AG3.
I'm going to show them how to get
Okay,
it.
well, we're going to, but now you got to stay out of the way of the camera. Okay, so now, Nora, would you push some batteries out for me, please?
Yes.
Please do that right quick.
Can you help a little?
I can help a little, sure. Here, let me do this. Let me get them started for you. There's one. Hold out your hand. You get that one out?
Yeah.
Okay, one of those are pesky little boogers. Here, let's do this. Let's push them into here so we don't have to worry about losing them. There's one.
Let me do it.
Well, I got to get it out. All right, now push it out with that.
Let me do it.
There you go. All right, now then, let me get this one going out. Okay, push that one out. There you go. Thank you very much.
You hold it.
Now, as you can see, it takes 3 of these little batteries. You got to slide back, Nora. Okay? Takes 3 of these little bitty LR41 batteries.
Let me put it in there.
So now, the next thing that you need to know, these batteries, well, just 1 second. These batteries, the small end, or the positive end, you see this little tab right here on this piece? See this little raised tab? that positive side of the battery goes to the front. We're going to hold it right here while we put them in. All right? Put that battery in there with that piece to the front, right there, okay? Just like that. Thank you, Nora. That's okay. Now hold this like that, okay?
Can you help?
And I'm going to hold this like this. And you got to put that in there. Drop it down in the hole. Okay, I'll get it from there. Okay, it drops down in the belly of the Paw Patrol, and this particular one here being Zuma. And you got to make him fall down in there just the right way, like this. And then just push him in. And now then, Zuma has new batteries. And there he is. He lights up again. That's amazing, ain't it, Nora?
Yeah, let's put the
Okay, now then, just a second, one at a time. And now that you've got the new batteries in, this little plastic tab goes to the rear of Zuma. And you just push this in and press it down. Now that you've put the bottom back in, again, as I said, I'm using a 2mm screw, a little 2mm socket head cap screw. And then you put that in the hole. It fits the threads just right, or the original hole. You just put it in there and just screw it into place. And now then, old Zuma is as good as new. Nora, we have two repaired. Just a second, let's show the people at home, okay? Turn around and look at the camera. Don't hit it. Look in here. Now then, we have two new Paw Patrols. We got Zuma and who?
Chase.
And both of them have new batteries. Boop, boop. Their badges have lighting up. There they are.
Now everybody know how to do it.
Everybody will know how to do it now. That's right.